y'all see what we got in our hands, man. We got the guys with us. We got 300 Dog, we got SRTAJ, and we got Unmasked Scatman. You know what I'm saying?
Mr. Pull up at anything, whatever.
Mr. Pull up at anything, you know what I'm saying? And
And
guess what? We in the hood with it. Y'all see what I got on me. So we finna cut up. You know what I'm saying? We all got that underground tune on the little motherfucker. And yeah, man, red guts. Red guts. Your car doesn't have that. Your car doesn't have that.
What?
Red guts.
You know what I do have? Fat ass d.
Alright, y'all, man. I was gonna do it off the GoPro, but we gonna stick to the phone, man. We got 55 miles to empty, y'all, so hopefully we don't burn all the gas up in here, y'all. That boy got a switch on that thing. As y'all can see, man, hood belt boy in the motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Street society, because he for the streets, you know what I'm saying? And then we got my boy Dog. We in the hood with it, though. Abandoned crib. This used to be my crib. Selling them motherfucker right now for $50 a month. Got this little crib right here in this sheet. But I ain't gonna lie, boy, I get on that roof, boy, I'ma fall in. Y'all, man. I would throw this in track mode. I don't know if I should, though, y'all. Because we literally have 53 miles to empty, y'all. Like, what y'all think, man? Should we put it in track? You got that boy Shaker, Unmasked Scatman. 300 Dog. Y'all see that wrap on that thing? That boy diffuser came off because of my driveway, y'all. Then mine came off. Crazy work. Loud ass cars, y'all. Them boys cutting up. I like these verbals a little bit more, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. The one pops is kind of like obnoxious, not gonna lie. Yeah! What you gotta say to my YouTube, man? What you gotta say to my YouTube, though? You don't wanna... Alright, bro. Don't ever ask me in the video ever again, y'all. If y'all ever see this kid, man, flick him off, man. No cap. I gotta get out the trenches, man. You got me in the trenches, bro. I bet you won't do that, motherfucker. I bet you won't do that motherfucker in the hood, though. You won't. You wouldn't do that motherfucker in the hood. You wouldn't go slide that bitch in the hood. You won't. If you big and bad, do it. Talking about in it. It's crazy. Them boys is definitely gonna come on. too much. You smoked it too much. Hey, we gotta go. We gotta go. Them boys clowning in the hood, though. See if we can get some good pops over here, y'all. It's like we going so fast, y'all, but we really not. Leaving the feds and that boy popping flames is crazy. Crazy work. He on that timing. Y'all know where we at, man. The ones that's watching this, y'all know this Charlie Park, man. Real ones know though. I know these projects if you're a real one, man. Oh my God, bro. That officer is gonna come get us, y'all. And I'm in the back. And I'm not running. I don't know if that's them boys behind me or not, y'all. But don't it look like it's them boys? It's only one way to find out. See if he flickers up. Oh my God. Dudes. So many fast dudes. My fault. On me. We in the trenches, you know, the house is gonna always look like this in the trenches, y'all. Talking about turn that bitch up. Shut out. What you on, cuz? You good? Turn the hood up, man. Yo. My guys, hey, y'all acting bad. Y'all acting bad, bro. This is what I like to see, though. He acting bad. The boys behind you, what you gonna do? The boys are behind you. Do it. That's not the boys, but that's some hugs. See the kids talking about do it again. The kids say turn them up. They acting bad, y'all. Let me hear that bit. Yeah. Hey. Can you do that? That shit tight. Hey, I can do that. That shit tight. He's still going. Oh, he's still going? Oh, ain't they trying to cut off? on brakes. That's No! No, bro. Park your ass right here. Don't let dog do it. No, not right here, bro. No, bro. Hell no. No, bro. Bro, I know. No, bro. Bro, he didn't hit a curb before. Come on now, in a wide area. Yes, bro. Bro.
He been patient lately though, bro.
Not enough.
Not enough for sure.
No, bro, don't do it, cuz. Hopefully I got all the clips, man. Oh my God. Hopefully I got all the clips though, y'all. And hopefully 12 don't come try to mess with us, y'all. I just walked the whole street.
Walk the street.
Look at the kid, y'all. My boy dog get active real quick.
Oh my goodness.
That's cool. That boy dog soggy, ain't he? He's soggy. Soggy as a noodle. Soggy ass cereal, nigga. Boy, you like some Fruity Pebbles. Soggy as hell. There you go.
God.
That's the real.
Oh, no. Oh my God. What they think they
Look at
doing? What they think they doing, man?
He for the flickers, guy.
Tell you finna flickers at
He for
that.
the flickers, guy. Oh fuck! Get him.
Oh my God.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Yo, he is over with. Fuck.
Why he's on it? Fuck. Okay.
Y'all gotta chill with that, man.
What you talking about? What you talking about, OG? OG tweaking. OG ass tweaking on my mama. What OG on?
What's up, OG? He said, what the fuck y'all doing?
Bro, it was just some niggas down there doing donuts. We tried to run away from them. Hey man, say man. Hey man. That Toyota was going crazy. Hey man. W video. Unmasked Scatpack. Oh my God. Good fellas, man. Good POV in the trenches, man, with my guys. My boy Dog is on ball tires now. We love to see it, man. That boy was getting active. I was getting a little active. Unmasked Scatman was getting active, but guess what we had with us? The police ain't take that gun. They didn't take that gun. Good POV, man. If y'all want more content like this, man, let me know, man. Hey, man, say, man. Give my boy some motivation, y'all. Give my SRT gang some motivation.
Man, it's okay if you're not an SRT member.
It's okay, guys. You can always start off with no SRT, to a 5.7, to a shaker, or you could just be me. Y'all, man, y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to the video. I'm back on YouTube. Let's get this to 100. Let's get this to 100, man. Oh, my God. Unmasked Scatman just broke his car. What the hell?
Bro, my shit fully cooked.
How you do that?